Good morning, everyone. First off, I'm gonna make some breakfast and then we're going on like a little jog, run slash hike kind of thing. He's gonna do some homework and then get his hair cut around 2. And then we're going to Ikea in an outlet mall. So yeah, if you guys are interested in coming with us and following us through the day, continue to watch and enjoy our vlog.
They have really good faith. You're the best wife of all time. Best wife I ever had.
You ready?
I'm ready. You ready?
I'm ready.
Like literally
What's in it?
Just a staircase. There we go. 1 foot on. Whoa! Get it. Grab it. Oh.
Okay guys, I think we're done with our run. Of course Leo's awesome, not tired at all. Me on the other hand, I am not a runner. I'm really trying though. But now we are enjoying this little swing and this little view of the pond. Okay guys, so we just got back home and this is what we call the blue room. We used to have a little seating area out here. These chairs used to be in the blue room, but we're gonna probably sell this house pretty soon. So I figured that it would probably be more appealing to see like a dining room table in this room. So we're gonna try to find like a circle table or maybe a rectangle table and then change out this circle rug. That's what we're gonna do at Ikea. Maybe we'll find something there. If not, I think.
I'm out. I'll
See you later.
Let me kiss.
There he is. How was your haircut?
It's phenomenal. Look how good I look.
Come over here.
Obviously,
Come
looking
here.
good.
Let me see it. You gotta come in the light. Oh, very nice.
Oh.
Can't even wait. Okay guys, so now that we're done eating our delicious food, now we're gonna go ahead and conquer Ikea.
Or we can just go home.
We're not going home.
Because I'm full. I need some delicious cake. Maybe I'll drink some of this coffee. Look at this view. I like it. It's nice.
It is nice. We're almost done.
Hey, a pillow? See, I'm more of a fluffy pillow kind of guy. I feel this.
Okay guys, so I think we finally found our table. It's not as fancy dancy as we were thinking. It's kind of actually pretty cheap. It's $169, but we are gonna be buying some like tufted chairs from I think Wayfair. And then we actually got this carpet here for like $150. And yeah, I think it's gonna look okay. So we'll show you what it kind of looks like. This is just, yeah, the staging purposes, even though we're not moving for like another 6 months, but, and I really want to just sit there and eat at the table in our blue room.
nice chair to go with.
I love it.
I think we need something over here.
All right, guys, so we just got done with the table, and as you can see, we kind of just got a really simple, really inexpensive table here. The plan is to have a simple table and then get like some pretty nice, like tufted, like cream colored chairs here. We did just like kind of put those chairs there just to kind of see what the final product would have looked like. But I think that overall it looks pretty nice. They're so good. This is so nice. Here's Leo's dinner. His Velveeta. The Velveeta.
It helps the studying happen, okay? This right here, I gotta do homework till like 3, and it just gets the knowledge flowing. A little bacon in there.
Good girl.
I'm gonna try to knock out all these damn discussions.
Come on.
In 2 hours.
You got Turno. All right, everybody. So that's gonna wrap up our vlog today. Yeah. So we did a lot. We went hiking. We went to Ikea. Set up this beautiful table here. I did a great job because I did it all by myself. Just kidding. Of course he jumped in and took over basically. So I hope you guys really enjoyed our little day. And if you guys like the video, give it a big thumbs up. And if you want to see some more videos like this, subscribe to our YouTube channel. You guys have a great, blessed day.